I started off with one blister just prior to my trip, and throughout the course of the last couple days I've gone from one blister to 3. Surprisingly, this morning it doesn't hurt so much. Still hurts, but not nearly as painful as it has been. But it's well worth it, all the walking I've done. I could have taken the metro or other things, but I've always been the type of explorer to walk, hike, scramble, climb the whole bit. It's just a much more engaging experience. Just like me walking through here, coming to this open courtyard and seeing this. Walking from my hotel room in the morning and in a very early morning to come out and see this is spectacular. There's fire in looks like a cauldron or something. Let's go take a look. Wow. So I believe this is named after again the person who unified Italy. Now that I'm thinking of it, although I shouldn't be distracted by other travels, I could also imagine how Paris must be. But I don't imagine going to Paris anytime soon with all the riots and fires and protests. And, you know, it's protesting is just another season in France. They do that so much. Quebec is really no different. So the streets are so empty. I don't think I could go all the way up there. I know there's some sort. The sun is just starting to come out. I'm gonna run across the street here while I have a chance and see. I have to say, this building is immense. So, Vittorioano. Welcome to the Vittorioano. So this was, the construction started in 1885. So basically in 1911 it was completed. If you just think about it, I mean, obviously there's been some repairs and maintenance over the years, but they built this thing with very primitive technology compared to today. And I bet you if they could try to build something like this again in modern times, it would be overpriced, over budget, and it would be poorly built. So there's a gate here preventing anybody from entering. But I do want to take a closer look. You'll notice 2 Italian flags. Italians are very proud of their country and their accomplishments. Unlike the Germans. You won't find a German flag on anybody's home like you do all over America and Canada. The more time I spend exploring Rome, the more time I have to think about words to describe how beautiful of a city it is. I mean, yeah, you'll have to get past how dirty and how decrepit the infrastructure is, like the roads and the sidewalks, you know. But you know, in Canada, our healthcare system is decrepit, our social system's decrepit, so who am I to complain? I'm not too sure what this is here. Actually, maybe we could take a look and see. Foro Traiano. Cool.